Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is Technician Sam, and today we are here driving to a customer house to check out our Kenmore refrigerator. And like you guys can see, we are already in traffic, but when we were on our way to that job, I decided to make this video and answer a question that a lot of people's been asking me, like customer and also friends. Is it worth it to fix my refrigerator? Of course, I will give you my answer right now. Well, definitely I think it's worth it to fix your refrigerator. But a lot of times people ask that question whenever we come to like an expensive repair. And one of those expensive repair, it could be your compressor. And that's the most common problem we see on refrigerators this day, especially on Kenmore LE and LG refrigerators. The compressors, sometimes they go out a lot. And the compressor, they're a little bit expensive repair. That the compressor itself, it can start from $400 and up. Another expensive repair, it could be a seal system. Seal system issues when pretty much you have a hole in the seal system and the freon is gone and we have to replace the evaporator coils. But let's just go by a compressor job at the moment. You guys can go through a problem through a compressor and you ask the question, is it worth it for me to fix it? Or should I just go buy it? Well, the first thing we gotta look at is we gotta check the condition that our refrigerator is. So we gotta look at our refrigerator to see if it's very rusted, if it's falling apart, or what all the problems does it have at the moment. Because if you have a lot of problems, multiple problems, rusted, damaged, that it got flooded, well, in that case, yeah, it kind of makes sense to go buy a new one. We have the problem with the compressor, like I was saying earlier, and we get the price, and then sometimes we asking, does it worth it to put the money on it? So my answer would say yes. Reason why is because there's a lot of good refrigerators right there that is still in good conditions, that whenever you do this repair, you're still saving a lot of money. Because to be honest, right now, the appliances, they don't make it like they used to. The appliances are breaking so fast right now, and it's crazy to think that by buying a new refrigerator is gonna resolve our problems. But that's not really the case. I kinda get it, like sometimes the reason why a lot of customers don't wanna do the repairs is because they think that if we buy a new refrigerator, we pretty much eliminating all our problems, and because it's gonna be new, we are not expecting to have any problems anytime soon. And that's why we want to go with that options, even though they're more expensive right now. Because a new refrigerator right now is pretty much looking at like starting from like $2,000 to like $3,000, $4,000 now. And let's just say you pay a $3,000 refrigerator. And this is what happened. Right now, all these new refrigerators, they start having a lot of problems. As a matter of fact, right now they start having problems when the refrigerator is between 2 to 5 years old. A lot of things can happen that time. And one of those things, it could be the compressor. It could be a leak on the seal system. We think that we're making a good decision by buying a new refrigerator, but to be honest, everything that is new right now is just worse. So that's why I think it's still worth it to fix what you have. But of course, you can definitely go do anything you want, but that's the way kind of I see it. But if you have any question, leave your comment below. I can definitely answer you guys. Well, I hope you have a great day. This is Technician Sam. Thank you so much and have a good one, guys.